Okay, this is going to be the new bus stop here at the University of Macau, and let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Let's kind of take a look. They're actually going to build all of these little shelters. I'll just zoom in on this instead of walking down there. But you can see the beginnings of it. Before they didn't really have any shelter. They had one, but it was really small. So this is going to be very welcome, just having something big like this. Yeah, actually there's some pretty hard rains a lot of times, and usually you're stuck here for, sometimes you can be stuck here for like an hour sometimes. There's not many buses that come out to the university in general, so it's and then in the evening it'll be such long lines for students, so like they'll just keep going around and keep passing you and passing you and passing you. So yeah, I don't know, I wish the city would devote a little more attention to the university, but like this is a start at least. Like this is a good start, great start. So at least we can be protected in the rain when we're waiting. Because sometimes, I swear, like you have to wait for like an hour, hour and a half in the evenings just to try to get off campus. Or what you might do a lot of times too, let's follow this bike here. But another thing that we might do sometimes too is have to walk all the way across campus or take another bus all the way across too. Basically this is the last bus, so they pick up almost everybody, so the lines to get off at the stop is the worst. And unfortunately, most people live over here too, these buildings. Anyways, something new and documenting it, so you'll kind of know this is the date, October 16, 2019. So they started building this about 10 days ago maybe. Looks like they're just about finished soon, I think, I hope. Chiquinha, chiquinha.